Welcome back to Elfin Code. If you have yet not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe this channel and also like the video and hit the notification button. So today we will be checking out one more video from the generative AI playlist. Here we will see how we can create a connection to the openAI, how we can create the secret key in openAI, and then how we can send some kind of prompt to the openAI and get the response from openAI and then print those response to the screen. Also, we will try to see what is prompt template and how can we make use of those prompt template. So this is going to be the agenda for this video. First would be creating OpenAI secret key. Second would be connecting to the OpenAI LLM and understanding the temperature. Third would be sending query to the LLM and getting the response. And fourth would be writing prompt template and passing it to the LLM models, LLM chains, and getting the response and then displaying it on the output screen. So let us begin with our video. So first we will do one thing. I'll just show how we can create the OpenAI template. Sorry, OpenAI key. Try to log into the OpenAI platform, and here you can see the API column. Okay, so here you need to go and somewhere here you will check the API key. It might be coming somewhere here as well for some of the users, but for me it is coming out here. Okay, so you need to go here and thereafter you need to create a secret key like this. So if it is already existing, then it is well and good. If it is not existing, then you can go and create your secret key from here. Okay, so once you have created the secret key, you just need to copy that secret key so that you can write it inside the program. So what I have done, I have created a I have created a page here, Python page open key, and then I've created one variable open AI underscore API key underscore key, and then I've kept the open key the open key value in that file, and then I imported this file here from Langchain dot key import open key. Okay, so this is how you can save your key values, the secret key values. Okay, now what we will do here as a first, so what is my agenda is to create a kind of small application where we can get the newborn, where we can get the recommendation for newborn baby. So here for what we will see first, we'll first create a kind of LLM connection here, LLM, and then we'll say open AI, and then we will set the temperature. Now temperature is something which tells about the accuracy that you are expecting. So if if you set the temperature to 0, then there won't be any kind of creativity. It is always a kind of predictive value, deterministic value. Whereas if you keep the temperature nearer to 1, so it will be less predictive and more creative. So that kind of, so according to what kind of response you want, you can set the temperature here. Okay, and then we will set the open API key is equal to open API key. Okay, now so this is set. Okay, now what I can do, I can just say response equal to LLM, and I'll say that I want 5 name of baby boy of newborn baby boy. Okay, and then what I can do, I can just return the response. Okay, and here in the main function I'll try to call this um, res result equal to get newborn name. Okay, now let us execute this code to see if we get the result. Okay, we need to print this result. Print result Okay, so here we can see all the different names. Okay, now what I can modify in this, I want 5 name of newborn baby from Indian name. Maybe I want 5 Indian name of newborn baby. Okay, now you can see here Arav, Rohit, Aditya, Vivan and Arjun. So these are 5 different recommendation which I can get it from my LLM model, which is openAI. Okay, now if you want to make some more changes here, you can make more changes as well. But let us do one thing. Let us go with the prompt templating. Okay, so this you understood. The first thing what we did first, we imported certain modules from the OpenAI. That was from Langchain OpenAI, import OpenAI, and then we need one more thing, the Open API key, which we have kept it inside the key file. Okay, so that we imported. Then we made a connection to the OpenAI by setting the temperature and the Open API key, which we have created in the OpenAI website. Okay, and then what we did, in this a connection, we pass a string asking for our query. Okay, now this goes to the LLM model, which is OpenAI, and from there it get the response, and this response we pass it to the main method. Okay, and then we print out the result. Okay, now the second part this is the first part, OpenAI secret key, which we understood how to create it. Then we have to connect the OpenAI LLM and understand the temperature. This also we understood. It is quite simple to open the connection to the LLM. It is like OpenAI, and then just like this OpenAI, then you need to set the temperature and pass the key value, secret key. Okay, and sending the query to the LLM. So we are able to send the query to the LLM, and also we are able to get the result from the LLM. Okay, and that result we are printing it to the screen. Now the last part is prompt template. Okay, now what prompt template tells that here you are passing 5 Indian names, so it could be 6 also. Some person may ask for 6 or 7 different Indian names. Some may ask for, instead of Indian, may ask for British name. Okay, so like these are the things which can be parameterized. Okay, it can be passed as a dynamic value. Newborn baby, it could be baby boy or it could be baby girl. Again, this is one more dynamic value which you can pass it to the LLM model. So for doing that, what we can do, we can create a prompt template. Okay, so prompt template allow us to pass such a dynamic value. Prompt template and then input variables, and I'll say number of names. Okay, so this will be my one input variable. Which name, which country, country, baby name would be the second attribute, and then third attribute would be gender. Okay, and then we can have template. Okay, so now this template can be this particular line. Okay, so here we will do number of, and then here we will do which country, and here we will do gender. Okay, so this is going to be my prompt template, and thereafter I need to name chain. I need to create a LLM chain where I will say my LLM is equal to LLM, my prompt and my out is equal to baby. And now my response would be name chain, and then I need to pass these three. Number of name, I want, let's say 5, and then which countries I want Indian. We can actually pass this from the parameter also, and then the third key is gender. Boy. Okay, so this is how we can set up our template. Okay, so let me run this program. Okay, great. So here we can get all the baby names. Okay, like Arjun, Rohit, Aryan, Vikram, and Surya. Okay, so these are the 5 different names which we get after passing this to our prompt template. Okay, I mean, this is the query and this is the prompt template which we have created. Okay, now one more thing what we can do here, I mean, instead of just passing here the value, we can pass it here as well. Number of name, we can pass country, we can pass baby gender. Okay, so here we can do number of name, country, we can pass COUNT country, and here we can pass baby gender. Okay, and here we can pass number of name equal to 4, we can pass Indian, and we can pass girl. Okay, and let us see what response we will be getting. Great. So here we can see that we get the baby name response as Aradhya, Ananya, Divya, and Ishani. Okay, so this is how we can do it. Let me just go over the point which we were intended to cover, creating the openAI secret key so that you can easily create with the help of this API key page. So you just need to go to the API, openai.com, and then go to the APIs and then API keys. So from here you can create your secret key. Okay, and then connecting to the openAI LLM and understanding the temperature. So this we have already understood. So here we need to connect to the openAI, and the temperature says that what kind of accuracy and randomness you want in your response. So so we have set it to 0.7, so it is non-deterministic, and it would be more creative than kind of static response, and this is the secret key which we have passed. Okay, and then what we did, we created a prompt template. Now template accept 2 different kind of input parameters. One is input variable, the other one is template. Now input variables consist of all those variables which you can use it in your template. So I want 5 number 5 baby Indian name of a newborn baby, uh, girl or boy. Okay, so this is how this will get replaced in the template. Okay, thereafter you make the connection to the LLM chain, where you say that your LLM is nothing but this LLM correspond to the OpenAI, and then your prompt is this one, and your output would be baby name. Okay, and then you pass then you call the response by passing all these parameter, and then in the baby name you will get the response. So after execution you get the baby name here. In the baby name you get the response as 4 different baby names. Okay, so that's all for from this video. So we will be checking out further on this in the next video. Thank you for watching.